Guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. How are you guys doing? Hope you guys are doing well. So guys, in today's video I'll be making vegetable sauce, and I'm going to use all the ingredients there to make it, and I'll be showing you how I make it step by step. I didn't record my seasoning, so I'll be using no cube. I'll be using a salt, no powder, and chicken gravy for the sauce. So guys, let me see what you guys think about it in the comment section. Have you done the method before? Let me know how you did it in the comment section, or if there's anything I need to add when I'm doing it next time, guys, let me know. So guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe, and thank you guys for joining in today. So I'm going to let you guys enjoy the video. Thank you guys. See you at the end of it. you guys for watching to the end. Please do subscribe and let me know what you think about it, and hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye.